Good morning, family, friends, followers. Dr. Jimmy Henderson, cognitive scientist, metaphysician. I want to introduce you to my latest book called Understanding Reality, taking a new look at what is truly real. Are you prepared to have your perception of reality shattered? In this book, I actually I weave together science, psychology, philosophy, semantics, symbolism, mythology, metaphysics, and even theology. Trying to illuminate the hidden connections between energy, quantum science, the human mind, and even our consciousness. In this book, I explore the following questions. What is the source of energy and chaos? How do they shape and how do they interact in our world? How do we interpret this experience, this dance of energy as reality? So prepare for a journey into your mind, into human consciousness, the way we project reality, and unlock the secrets of the universe and discover what is beyond the veil. Get ready to go all the way down the rabbit hole with this new book, Understanding Reality. Available on Amazon and Drafted Digital.